Hey guys, this is Jared. Out on the creek. Some of the creeks are still up kind of high. It's starting to get dark on me, so I'm doing some kind of a power search, and I'm probably walking over a lot, but trying to get something done before it gets dark. And supposed to rain starting tomorrow and through the weekend. But it looks like I have one here. It looks like it's busted. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's busted. Some kind of a long blade. Real thin. Busted on both ends, and couldn't tell which one's top or the bottom. But I'll get back with it if I find something else. Hey, this is Jared. I'm back out on the creek. Got my wife here with me. But I've got one here. It looks like it's kind of broken. Yep, busted on the tip. And the base. That would have been an alright one. She don't like to be on camera. Alright, I'll get back with it, find something else. Hey guys, this is Jared. Just got back from the river right after work. I didn't stay very long, it poured the rain. Got caught up in this big old storm. But here's some stuff that I found. This is what I found today. This right here, not sure what it is, maybe some part of a pipe. Maybe some kind of a paint bowl. It's hard stone, kind of feels like it, smooth. Didn't get to have my camera. I charged it last night and left it sitting here at the house, so makes me mad I didn't get it on film, but at least I found something. So, but it's like a smooth ground on the bottom side, and you can see little ground scratches on the. Sorry about the lighting. On this face here. I hate that it's broke. That would have been a pretty neat little artifact. I found this bead down here. It's bone. Found it down a high river. Actually, probably not 5 steps from where I found that pipe, or whatever that is. If anybody knows what that would be, let me know. It's a neat little bead. And I found these 2 little points. This is the tip of one. And there's a little triangle point. I haven't washed that off yet. And the other day, same thing happened. I didn't have my camera. Found this drill. It's kind of busted right down the back. Uniface, I guess. It's like they just made it out of a flake. Almost stepped on it. And actually, I did have my camera and went to video it, picked it up, and realized I didn't have it recording. But oh well. That's what I found so far. Haven't had a chance to get out. It's rivers and the creeks have been up. Just now going down, and now we got this big rain today. So hopefully it's not going to raise the creeks and the rivers up too much. Maybe this week I can get back out. But hopefully this week. Here's some of my artifacts here. I think I've showed them before. Here's some of the Mackie tools that I got off of Tim Mackie and the Flint Obsession. Here's my baby right here. It's a gas-powered remote control car. It's about 3 foot long. Right now I've got a 23cc 2-stroke motor on it. Got me a nice little, it weighs about 25 pounds, got me a nice pipe on it. Getting ready to put a 30cc race-supported motor on it, which that ought to make it scream. They make up to 62 cc's for these things. But it's all steel, aluminum parts, but that's just a little toy, I guess. There's one of my cats. We got 2 cats. I don't know where the other one's at, but these are my babies. Ain't got no kids yet, so I guess that's me and my wife call those our kids. There's my lovely wife right there. But I'll get back with you hopefully this summer or this week. I'll get out soon and maybe get something on film. But appreciate everybody watching and giving me some comments. But I'll get back with you.